Hi everyone, it's Chiaki. Did you see my last video? Today we will make our second eggplant recipe. So this dish is a delicious vegetarian gratin. Here are the ingredients you will need: eggplant, onion, mozzarella cheese, canned tomato, garlic, salt and pepper, olive oil, and basil. For those beautiful eggplant, we will trim the tops and cut them into thick slices. Wow, done! To prevent discoloration, we can soak them in salt water in 5 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's make the tomato sauce. First, thinly slice the onion. Then remove the peel and just crack open the garlic cloves. We don't need to chop them up, just to give them a smack with a flat part of the knife. Place all the sauce ingredients in a pot and set the heat to low. Once the onion is nice and tender, add salt and let it simmer away. Okay, back to the eggplants. Let's get a pan ready for frying by adding the olive oil and turn on the heat to start warming up. Next, we need to pat down the eggplant slices with paper towel to get rid of the excess moisture. And then we can deep fry until golden brown. Great! Tomato sauce done! Eggplant done! Now it's time to make a gratin. When we make a gratin, we start by spreading out about one side of the tomato sauce right on the bottom of the dish. Then we can start to make layers of sauce: eggplant, mozzarella cheese, and basil. For the top, make sure put plenty of yummy cheese. If you have a dairy allergy, you can use vegan cheese. Sometimes I use vegan cheese, but still really good. After taking out of the oven, you can decorate with fresh basil. It smells so good. This classic eggplant gratin is perfect side dish for healthy meals. Also, if you like, you can make this with zucchini instead of eggplant, or both if you want to mix it up. If you're looking for some other healthy recipes, you can check out my other eggplant dishes. They're all delicious. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for lots of more great tips and ideas. Please leave a comment below and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye!
Yummy! Yummy!
Next video will be deep fried eggplant in Japanese broth. So make sure to watch the next video to learn how to make it. See you then!